Did you know that the average person's email has been involved in 7 data breaches? This alarming statistic explains why your inbox is currently flooded with spam. Today, I'm going to share a ninja trick that top security experts use to keep their real email addresses completely private. Here's the scary truth. Every time you sign up for a website, your email becomes a target. Companies sell your data to advertisers, get hacked, exposing your information, and use your email to track you across the web. Fortunately, there's a solution that professionals rely on: temporary burner emails. Think of burner emails like those disposable phones in spy movies. You use them once, and then they disappear forever. They're completely anonymous, self-destruct after 24 to 72 hours, can't be traced back to you, and are perfect for testing services safely. Let me show you exactly how to create these untraceable emails. First, using Temp Inbox, which is the most private option, simply visit tempinbox.com, click Generate Email, and you're done. No registration needed. Alternatively, you can use Inbox to go for more features. Just choose the expiration time, select a custom domain, and get instant notifications. A pro tip: never use the same burner email twice. Experts utilize burner emails in various ways. For shopping protection, they use them for new stores to avoid marketing lists and test store reliability. For account testing, they try new services to verify site legitimacy while protecting their main email. When it comes to download safety, burner emails help test unknown sources and screen newsletters to avoid malware traps. To level up your privacy game, consider these master tips. Use different browsers for each burner email, clear cookies after each use, never mix personal information, and delete emails immediately. However, be cautious of common mistakes that could expose your real identity, such as reusing burner emails or connecting them to personal accounts. For power users looking for advanced privacy setups, consider browser compartmentalization, an email rotation schedule, domain verification, and tracking prevention techniques. Finally, don't forget to subscribe, because next week I'll show you how to create an unhackable password system. If you're planning to use burner emails from now on, drop a note in the comments below.